Hello student, welcome all of you on our YouTube channel, Department of Mathematics, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya, Chapoli. This is a lecture for BSc second year student, semester 3rd. Paper is Group Theory, paper number 7, and lecture is 20th lecture. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the composition table for the finite group. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting sum, and that is called as the addition modulo m. What is that? Addition modulo m. This is a different type of addition. So, new type of addition, and that is known as the addition modulo m. And it is written as a plus b, and there is plus sign, and to the plus sign suffix is small m. A and b are the any integer. These a and b are any integer, either positive, negative, doesn't matter, but m is a fixed positive integer. M is fixed positive integer. So then by definition, a plus mb is equal to r, and these are, see here, be carefully. So adding a and b, we get r. Adding a and b, we get r. But restriction is that this r must be greater or equal to 0. That means either 0 or greater than 0, but strictly less than m. What is the addition of a plus b? In addition a plus b, we get r. This addition we read as addition modulo m. So this r lies between 0 to m. Isn't it? In regular addition, suppose a plus b is equal to this c. So this c is not restricted. But this is addition modulo m is the special type of addition. And what is their speciality? So speciality of this addition is restriction of addition. That means there is a restriction to the a plus b. And what is that restriction? 0 to m. This restriction is depend upon modulo m. So here r is the list of non-negative remainder with a plus b, and the ordinary sum of a plus b is divided by the m. For example, now we discuss one example, and that is 15 plus 7 over modulo 5 is equal to 2. So what is that? Do firstly regular addition. 15 plus 5 ordinary addition, that is 22. And divide to this 22 by 5. Divide to this 22 by 5. We get remainder 2. And we write here remainder of that sum with respect to addition modulo 5. That means in addition modulo 5, we consider the remainder of that sum after dividing by modulo m. Similarly, we can do next example. 5 plus 6 with respect to modulo 6. So 5 plus 3, 2 ordinary sum. 5 plus 3 is 8. And after dividing by 6, to this 8, we get remainder 2, and therefore 5 plus 3 with addition modulo 6 is 2. What is 2? 2 is remainder, and 2 lies between 0 to 6, strictly less than 6. So such a type of addition is addition modulo m. So in general, we write it as A congruence, A congruence B mod M. This term we can write, this term A plus B that is addition modulo M can be written as A congruence B mod M. So here A congruence B mod M, so A minus B divide by M. Whatever the difference between them A and B, M definitely divide A minus B. So this is addition modulo M. Some more examples we will discuss in next lecture. Like this, okay, I take one example. Example is, suppose 9 congruents 4 mod 5. So here 9 minus 4, 100% divided by 5. Yes. So therefore 9 and 4 are congruent. 9 and 4 are congruent. Similarly, 13 congruents to 3 mod 5. So 13 minus 3 divides to 5. 13 minus 3 divides by 5. So this is the congruence relation. This is a congruence relation. In the next lecture, we will discuss multiplication modulo P. Here we discuss addition modulo M. In next lecture, we discuss multiplication modulo P. Thank you very much.